YouTube user and co-owner of T-Bone186 Productions, aka real life person user Alex Wimmer. See what I did there? Challenged me to make a video with no cuts. Challenge accepted, my friend. So, I want to talk a little bit about nature. And most people know that I identify with no religion, but I believe that a smart man knows that we as people may possess many things. But a wise man, well no, a wise man knows that we truly possess nothing, but rather we are just borrowing from nature. And one day, nature will take back what it has loaned us, for it was nature's to begin with, which includes everything, including our very flesh that will one day die, and whether it be cremated or buried in a box 6 feet below the ground to eventually decompose and be reabsorbed into the earth. The conclusion remains the same, and that is returning to nature. And while we're on the subject of these things, like I said, even though I'm not religious, I have to wonder if there is some type of atomical preset destiny for us, because sometimes it can feel like things were just destined to happen. So, what if we have no control over our thoughts? What if it's all chemically predetermined exactly what will happen? But what if the entire universe is like this, and it is all just an equation that will be guaranteed to happen in one exact order, like the 9 people who were sadly killed in Charleston, South Carolina? Could it have been prevented? Or was it already set in stone? Tell me, audience, what do you believe about destiny? What is America's new day manifest destiny? What is the world's manifest destiny? What is your destiny? Thanks for watching. I'm the T-Bone186, and peace! Outro, and I'm very excited to be returning to the world of video blogging because I still love this. Even if I am just talking to a camera, to a video with 0 views. But I know it'll get views because you guys are fucking awesome. Peace. There's no outro. That would require a cut. So peace out.